Are you craving cake, but A, you're on keto, and B, you don't have time to make an entire cake? Well, I've got a great recipe for you. Let's get cooking. Before we get started, please remember to like this video if you enjoy it, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. All right, let's get straight into the recipe. What you need to do is grab a bowl, crack an egg into it, and whisk that egg. Now take your melted, salted butter and pour that in as well. Now the reason why I like to use salted butter is because I think it has the perfect ratio of salt for this mug cake recipe, but you can use unsalted butter and just add a little salt into this recipe. Followed by your avocado oil or coconut oil. Now the coconut oil may add a little bit of a coconutty taste to this recipe depending on what kind of coconut oil you use. That's why I like to use avocado oil because it doesn't really have as much of a flavor. Add in your vanilla paste or vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla paste. Now whisk all of those wet ingredients together. Add in your almond flour, your baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, your monkfruit sweetener, and whisk it all together. Pour in your freshly squeezed lemon juice and your lemon zest, and whisk that all together. Then you're going to place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. When your cake is done, go ahead and take it out of the microwave and let it cool down for a little bit because we are going to make some frosting. So what you're going to do is add some melted butter into a bowl. Yes, melted butter, because it works a lot better and is quicker. Trust me, you'll see. Add in your powdered monkfruit sweetener, add in your vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract, and whisk it all together. Now you're going to slowly add in your lemon juice and then whisk it all together. Now that that's done, you can add it to the top of your cake. If you want to make it look nice, you can put it in a piping bag like I have and squirt it on top. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.